chat. What you complain of in the beef? Something go take time in.
Ndasakuri uribe winning amparaso mratu wanga uradolf, you should let it go. Ndari no ndo wesara, they deserve to know. As Adolf anako rapper who ko rap mpo. My big brothers, you the only ones I had, I got none others. Yeah. Oh Lord Jesus, can you tell me what's wrong with my big brothers? Yeah, is it personal? Kana nanchitoba peace. Usada veni birthday ni zomfilisa this. And lichicha no expected the apologies. I received none, so fuck peace. Ndandure ni mwavi kano nova nazwira yukati hashukare nani branches ono funda tabit koni tera ngazi beef nastiva uri ni mushavi ndini nono tiva zwinombava nazwisamba mrero mtoto ya mabrata nyasutiva ndiani thought beta birthday mure tane mara aningol miso 8 hours past the same month maranoia kani funeral no kani niva nikotonkoy I was there aresara isa tuba na fukol up there tune kati chimlanga chikorakol nowadays ngonga rims and chapara na tikol na yon promise oru tota tuba leva akapol. My big brothers, you the only ones I had, I got none others. Yeah. Lord Jesus, can you tell me what's wrong with my big brothers? Cool fella, riroterare top Richimbomba MTY non-stop Marando zibona kaina tina job Aningo the birthday ni nama top Mara yanu ndo performa ndo itovera ipipi Na ya pamba ndo itavera ndo tombera na lifit Zwinenda zwiita ndiya tamani chizwita Mara beina newsibone nga yondira zamba ndi stupid Kwamba na ini wuki, no iwana kaneki Nichi unlock a vent, can you imagine? Uri nendi fila hani ni comparaso Wuna wada ni just aratane nkati revolution Ati kori swina langa liko doba swina lango Koto zaman sumbetisa nsongo hangwa wupo hang Kani zona zunda kakandone kakeranga mi Na wosone ni parere ngondo kakansazuti Mure tana bongo wara ni songo Endo dipa badi na ho ni songo Batu bote beba hone pongpong Bozu pruva undi moon and them dogs. My big brothers, you the only ones I had, I got none others. Oh Lord Jesus, can you tell me what's wrong with my big brothers? I love you all my brothers.
A minute,
This ain't personal,
and this beef.
just the way I feel.